Calatheas, our delicate darlings, our drama queens. We are all familiar with all those dramas, right?
Crispy edges, brown tips, droopy leaves.
They are like keeping us on our toes. Now, I made a video on Calathea mistakes last year and I got many questions about the potting mix of our Calatheas. At that point of time, I was using potting soil mix comprises of coco peat, compost and lots of perlite. And those Calatheas were doing good. They were happy and growing happily. But after year and a half or so, I noticed they are not doing so well. What I noticed that the soil mix they are in got compacted and they are not getting dried out as fast as they were used to. So I thought of replacing their soil with a more well-draining chunky soil mix. Now this time I am trying to make a potting mix which is similar to jungle floor. So what I have taken for this coco peat.
Coco peat retains moisture at the same time helps in drainage.
This is leaf compost or we can use vermicompost as well.
I am using pumice this time along with perlite to make the soil even more well draining.
This is charcoal. Charcoal is very beneficial for all the house plants. I am using charcoal for last 1 year or so and I have got very good results for my plants. Also this cocoa husk.
This is also coconut fiber but just chunky pieces of it. We can easily make cocoa husk at home by cutting the coconut fibers.
And this time I am adding some dried leaves. I have collected all these dried leaves from my neighborhood. Now let us mix all these things to create our chunky jungle floor kind of potting mix for our darling Calatheas. Our soil mix and watering habit goes hand in hand. So you should customize your potting mix according to your watering habit. And also it depends on the weather condition of your locality. If the weather is more on a drier side, then you will add more coco peat or water retaining things like coco peat and compost. But if it is like most of the days it is high in humidity, then you have to add charcoals, cocoa husk. And also I am adding a handful of perlite to make it more well draining.
Now probably you have noticed that I am not measuring anything.
But generally what I do, I create such kind of a mixture and looking at it, if I feel some more ingredient is required, I will add. For example, I am now feeling like I need to add more compost to it.
While I am mixing this, I would like to thank everyone who have subscribed to my channel and who have not subscribed yet. Please consider subscribing for more planty videos.
Now our chunky jungle fruit Calathea potting mix is ready. So if you want pure soilless media, then you can use this. And if you want to add soil to it, you can also add soil. Hope this video was useful to you. And if so, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Plantify for more planting videos. Thanks for watching.